What's up YouTube, it's Danny back with another video. Today I have a pretty exciting unboxing. This is DUXOT. DUXOT is a micro brand. I think they're based in United States somewhere. I forget where, if so. But I see them quite often on YouTube, on Amazon. Their ads get recommended to me as well. And it's been Prime Day all week. It's funny how they call it Prime Day, but it's like a week long. Anyway, this watch was on Prime Day deal for like $150. And so I will go ahead and tell you, I checked today, Amazon is sold out of this because of that deal. So I will link it below, but there's a good chance that when it's back in stock, it's not going to be $150 anymore. It normally goes for, I think, for like $190, $180, $190, something like that. And currently, there are one or two on Amazon from third-party sellers that are selling this thing for $250, and I saw one for like $320. So definitely way more than $150, and it's because they're taking advantage of the fact that there are none left. But during Prime Week, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it Prime Week, they had this particular model and several other models on sale. This one was $150. They had some other DUXOTs that were $111. And so DUXOT is a really good, from what I can tell, really good brand. A lot of people were happy with the quality, the craftsmanship, the fact that they run reliable, I believe, Seiko movements. Just a good all-around watch without having to spend, a mortgage on a watch. So without further ado, let's open up this DUXOT. And then, yeah. Just want to look at the box real quick. This is the outer sleeve. Inside, we've got another DUXOT branded box. Very nice. Lift this up. It is a high quality box, I will say. Foam. And it says DUXOT on the lid as well. DUXOT, engineered for excellence. Meticulous manufacturer. And then their Instagram DUXOT watches. On the back, we have the QR code for the instruction manual, affiliate program, and warranty registration. Very nice indeed. Set that off to the side. Here is the watch in question. Let's see if there's anything else you get in the box that doesn't look like it. Like I said, a very nice suede box. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this off the pillow. This is definitely brand new, still wrapped in the factory paper, and looks like plastic as well. Let me take the hang tag off. I've been excited for this watch. I actually ordered this watch early Wednesday morning, like 2 in the morning. And saw the deal. I was like, you know what? I've been wanting a DUXOT watch for a while. Let's go ahead and pull the trigger. So that's what I did. So this, obviously a men's watch, 42 millimeters. This is the rose gold edition, which I normally don't buy rose gold. 42 millimeters with a chocolate brown dial. Look at that. Kind of reminds me of the Patek Philippe Nautilus a little bit. But also, like, it's obviously not a homage. They're doing their own thing here. But I'm just saying the dial's got the same sort of texture. All right, and then on the back, look at that exhibition case. It is automatic. Very, very nice. I love that. It's got a decorative one. Normally it's just boring and blank. This has actual design on it. It's very nice. But yeah, 42 millimeters. Yeah, let's go ahead and get it out of the plastic and the paper. And we'll go ahead and size it, of course. Try it on the wrist. The bracelet looks pretty nice. This whole watch looks really nice, really. So, all right, look at that. What a nice looking watch. My goodness. Go ahead and put it on the wrist. Probably gonna need to take out 4 links, I would think. That's usually how it goes. Yeah, it looks about 4 links. So, all right, let me go ahead and get the camera turned around, and we will go ahead and take a look and get it all sized up. Stainless steel. Just a beautiful, beautiful watch. Very beautiful. That's quite a nice watch. My goodness, that's a nice watch.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender.
All right, let's see how this looks. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. I'm going to spin the camera around so you guys can really see. Very nice. I am going to set the time. So like I said, this is automatic, so just be aware. I love automatic watches though, so no big deal. And you need to set the time and the date. So it says 27th, which is not right. Today is the 26th of June. Shout out to my grandpa. He is 90 years old today. And he's alive and kicking still at 90 years old. So tomorrow we are going to have a birthday party, a big celebration with him and his family. And that'll be fun. I'll be wearing this there to that celebration. Really, really solid watch. Easy to set. Feels great to set. Feels great in the hand. And it is currently 6:15. 4, 5, 6:15. Here we go. Nice. All right. So, like I said, I will link this down below. But like I said, it's sold out currently as of this recording, just because of Prime Week. So, if you can get one, cool. Hopefully, you can get one at a good price and not a overpriced price that currently shows, just because they're sold out by Amazon.com. All right, so checking the lume real quick. Very nice. It's got a decent amount of glow, and this is with it only being charged up for a few minutes with the light box being on. But yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Very easy to read in the dark, so very impressed with that. Very nice indeed. So there you go. So that being said, thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. Love this watch. Very nice. Man, it's just a beautiful watch. Very happy with this purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. See you all in the next one.
Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short. Let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it.